Again, this is no magic, we're learning physics against magical. Let's do now in the pressure component of the course already. We have already talked about pressure and question 34, so now let's go to question 35. Question 35. The pressure P at the depth H in the incompressible fluid of density rho is given by P equal to rho GH. Do you remember this is the pressure secondary equation for pressure in fluids? Where G is acceleration of free fall, use base units to check the homogeneity of this equation. So now we have to check homogeneity. Again, remember homogeneity is used to check whether the physics is valid or not. What do you mean check physics is valid? Because why? We know the general formula for pressure is equal to force over area. So this confirmed 100% is true. What if there is new physics and then you check the validity of this equation? So how to do it? The easiest thing is to cross-check it with something that is already confirmed. For example, pressure equal to force of area, force equal to mass times acceleration over area. How do we check it? Always use SI base units are very critical. That's 7 for them SI base units, and it's used to cross-check both sides of the equation to make sure that the physics is valid. So remember, square brackets for units. You cannot just put your units here, it's wrong. Now we can. Units of P means mass is kilogram, acceleration is meter per second squared from our kinematics topic. After that, from our dynamics topic as well. Area here is M2. So this cancel off. And you got kilogram, meter per minus 1, as minus 2. So this is the SI base units of pressure. We need to cross-check whether rho GH gives the same thing. Rho GH is equal to mass over volume times G times height. Remember, we cannot put units here because these physical quantities, but these physical quantities contain units and a magnitude. If we put units here, we're missing magnitude, therefore it is not physical quantities. So in order to use units, we have to put a square bracket. Mass is kilogram, volume is meter cube, G is meter per second squared times height, which is m. So cancel the m's, you only left with 1 m. Cancel m, and cancel the 3. So you got kilogram meter per minus 1 second squared. Now we look at both sides. It shows that both have the same units, therefore they are homogeneous. Therefore, sometimes you see this units of the left hand side is equivalent to this 3. And signs is equivalent to units on the right hand side. Therefore, equation is homogeneous. Pressure is equal to force over area. So next time, if you need to cross-check whether your physics is correct or not, use these MCQ questions as well. Just use SI basis to cross-check. So I hope you understand this video.